Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to delete your transaction history on Revolut. First, open the Revolut app and go to your transaction history. Tap See All to view all transactions. Find the transaction you want to delete. Swipe left on it and tap Hide. Confirm by tapping Hide again. The transaction is now removed from your visible history. To delete your entire transaction history, repeat this process for each transaction. Important note, this is currently the only way to remove transactions on Revolut. And that's how to delete your transaction history on Revolut. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.